looks like. It's not supersonically boiling anymore because I changed it. Water and milk inside of there, and then when you add the water and milk in there, you want to add black pepper, Mrs. Dash garlic and herb. It's a seasoning blend that has no salt, and you want to add some chicken bouillon too. Is all you need, but if you want more seasoning in there, you can add it in there your own. And you will need to let it boil at least however long you like your corn to boil. And I know some people like their corn crunchy. I can't really tell the difference if my corn is like, good enough to take out, but I like the flavor to get into it. So yeah, that is also the bouillon that I was talking about. I got this from Dollar Tree, and I'm just brown sunshine in there to give it a little bit of sweetness. And this is also salt free, and it tastes really good on veggies. But normally, what I would probably most definitely use in the future is probably unsweetened coconut milk, because I believe I have a video of that on my phone from TikTok, but I no longer have TikTok, so yeah. So yeah, that is how I cook my corn on the cob on top of the stove. If it was in the oven, it would be a little bit differently. Maybe I would do the oven version of the recipe one of these days. If you want to subscribe, you can. You can like the video, but I also have another video coming out soon this week, a seafood mukbang, and I may show you how I cook my seafood. I'm not sure how that video is gonna go about, but it will be uploaded sometime either this weekend or next weekend, maybe this weekend. So yeah, stay tuned.